Hi there. In this video, we are going to create something with exact dimensions and exact values. So we are using Onshape, and to create something, we need to create on the create button and click on document, and then we are going to create this document. So this video is only for absolute beginners. So I am going to teach you here how you are going to use these tools. So simple enough, these are the planes where we are going to draw something. This is the feature hierarchy where we can see all these planes and everything which we are going to use. This is the cursor which we can move around to see the plane front, or we can use the right mouse button to see around. So let's see. If we have this front plane and we want to draw something on it, I'm going to click simply on sketch, and then we need to select the plane, whether we can select here or we can select here. So I'm going to click here. So now we can sketch on this plane. I'm going to import an image here. So I'm going to click on insert image, and then I'm going to import here from my downloads, and this is the image which we are going to use. So simply, this is the image we are going to use. I'm going to click on this image and click the left mouse button and draw somewhere like here. Okay. So now we have this image and we want to do this kind of shape here, and it's very easy. What we are going to do, we are going to create on the front plane and we are going to draw these lines. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click OK. Now I want to draw again, because I don't want to draw on this image. So I'm going to again click on the sketch, then select my front plane, and now on the sketch tool I'm going to draw it. So I'm simply going to use the line tool here, click here, and then click over here. Okay. I'm going to make this kind like here, and then I'll press the escape button to deselect the tool, and then again I'm going to draw here. So this is it. So we have done this thing. Now I need to remove this one, because I don't need this one. So I'm going to use this trim button with the M, and I trim this one. Now we need to set this angle, which is 65. So first we are going to go here and use dimension, and just click on dimension and click on this line. Okay. Now we have a dimension which we are going to give, that is 65, and it's exactly 65 because we are drawing on the image. So that's very cool. Okay, now we need to fill this, we need to close these profiles. So I'm going to close this one here and select the line tool again and click around here. I'm just drawing on our, okay, so this was a disaster. Let me do it again, because we need a straight line here. I'm going to, okay, now it's cool. I'm just dragging this one, and I'm going to connect these two dots, and we have a closed profile here. This is the first closed profile. Now we are going to draw this one, and it's simple. We are going to click on this dot, click here, then simply click here and click here, and we are done. But if you want to change these values of these lines, you can do it easily. If you want to give it 110 millimeters, I'm going to use the dimension tool here, click on this line, and I can change the dimensions. Okay, as you can see, we have 2.9. What is 2.9? Let's see. We are going to be 110 millimeters, and it will take the 110 millimeters. It will automatically convert it into inches. That's, I think, so its default value system. Okay, now if I want to give this one a length, so I'm going to again click on dimensions, and I'm going to drag this one out, and I'm going to give it 110 millimeters. Okay, so now let's go. So now we are going to use the extrude tool. Here you can see the extrude value will be 85.0 millimeter. So now I'm going to use my mouse, right mouse button. Now I'm going to click on extrude, and I am going to give it a value of 85 millimeters. That's it. We are done. This is our shape. I need to hide this one. First sketch, I'm going to hide this one, hide all these planes because we don't need this. Our object is ready, and this is all. As you can see, we have a cone case, I think so, this one. Okay. Okay, there is one problem here. As you can see here, we have these edges not closed. So let me go to this one and select this one. I'm going on the front view. Okay, so now we need to extrude these. I'm going to delete this extrude, and I'm going to select my sketch, again click on extrude, and here, now it's better, I think so. Okay, so I'm going to give it 85 millimeters. It was alright first time. I was just curious about these edges, but it's okay. Now I'm going to deselect everything. Here we have this home case, and we can print it if we want to. We can export this file. We can select on these objects and click on right mouse button click and then export, and then we can export it into whatever file we need, step file, 3MF file, STL file, OBJ file, whatever we want. If we want to work in SolidWorks, we can get whatever kind of file we need because it's a parametric modeling. So that's all for today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.